Good morning here in Grove City, Ohio. You see the little ducks out. Well, the geese. Normally you see the little baby geese. Now, yeah, I guess these geese are about teenager size. Here at the FedEx. 2 parents, 4 children. In case where you're wondering when they're off to, they got a little body of water right here. Okay, oh yeah, let me get some of these nice clouds in for you. Geese and cloud check this morning. These clouds look nice, little cotton balls, beautiful. And there's the sun. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. One last shot of the geese. All right, have a good day.